the channel. Welcome to everyone who is tuning in for the first time. My name is Nathi Tsanga, also known as Bonke. And on today's video, I will be doing a vlog. I will be starting a vlog. And on today's vlog, I just want to feature a few days in my life. It's nothing specific. I am not going anywhere. I am not doing anything major. Just for now, I am going to the mall just to run a few errands. So yeah, I also have another appointment for my daughter's hair. I have to take her to the salon. That will also be part of the vlog, and I will also be doing my nails and my wig rows, and also I might also be doing my brows, but it will depend on time how my weekend will be going. And also we have a play date that is planned for Saturday, for Sunday. We have a play date on Sunday with my friend and her kids, so that is happening on Sunday. Yeah, Sunday. that is that is the plan of the coming few days. So yeah, stay tuned, and I hope you guys will enjoy the vlog. And thank you so much for pushing me up to 3,000 subscribers. We're getting there. I think now we're currently sitting on 2,800 and something, and 3,000 is coming in very soon. And I hope for anyone who has not subscribed, you guys will do the right thing and support your girl. And yeah, let's do this. Let's go to the mall and enjoy. Guys, I am back from the shops, and I did some groceries for our home. Okay. Hi guys, I am back from the mall. I will just Hi guys. Hi guys, I am back from the mall. I just need to show you guys what I got. And I just need to pack the stuff. So whilst I'm packing, I'll just show you guys what is what. And yeah, I came back very late and I could not do most of the grocery shopping because I could not go to Meat World for our meat, and I could not go to some other shops to get some other items that Pick n Pay did not have. So I just need to go tomorrow. Today's Thursday, so I will go for the rest of the items tomorrow. So yeah, it was quite late, and I think we took most of the time at Pick n Pay, and we could not go any further than that. It was already past 6 when we left. So yeah, let me pick the stuff, and I'll start with dinner if we are eating anything. I'm not sure what we're eating, what we're having for supper, but I'll see. I just received my baby's stuff from the courier, the Buffalo courier, guys. Thank God. I'm just walking because they left it at the gate, so I had to go and fetch it because I was not picking up my phone. Well, they came too early and I was still in bed and I did not hear my phone, so I'm just collecting it from the gate. I will be doing I will be showing you guys what we got from Shein. I was so excited for the order when it was delivered, and I will show you guys what we got. And this is the first item that we ordered. It's a jacket, it's a coat, it's a jacket, it's a long coat, or is it 3/4? I think it's a 3/4 coat. Okay, as you can see, it's a bit of it's warm. It's a bit warm. This part is a bit warm, and then this part is just okay. I think it's okay for winter, especially for kids. And then you can just put in a polo neck or a sweater underneath. I really love it. And this coat came with a beret, a barret. We call it a barret, so I will call it a barret for the sake of this video. Well, I will call it a beret because most people may not be able to understand me when I say barret. So we also got this. I love it on my daughter. I love this on my daughter. So yeah, that is how it goes. It's the coat and the beret on top, like that. You can dress this beret on top of braids or cornrows, even hair. If your baby has hair, and afro would go very nicely with that one. Something that can go very well with that coat. I also got these orange rusty, I think it's a rusty, two-piece. These are the tights, and it's almost a soft knitwear fabric. I do not have much to okay, and I forgot to specify the sizes. The size of the coat, I took 2 to 3 years. Most of her items are 2 to 3 years, and sometimes I take like from the baby's side. I sometimes take 90, size 90. It fits her perfectly. And now I'm trying to get her on the toddler side, so it's 2 to 3 years. It's a set with a peplum top. I love this one. It's quite warm, very soft, very soft, and yeah, that's how it is. This is also 2 to 3 years. Okay, another item that we ordered this sweater that comes with nice, with a nice fabric, with these tights written sunshine in a bit of yellowish gold. I love the fabric of these tights. I love the fabric. They went back to the actual tights, la quality, like from way back. That quality, it's that one. It's stretchy. Even if it's stretchy, it's not easily see through, such that a baby, when she's wearing whatever, even if it's panties or a diaper, anything that she can be, she or he can be wearing, she can be wearing in this case, even if she's wearing diapers, it's not a see-through. That's what I like, because she was wearing panties when I fitted it this, and it was not showing at all. Like, I really, really, really like the quality of these tights, and they have that shiny quality, especially when you're outside. I really like this, and we took it in a size 2 to 3 years, and this fits her perfectly, especially the bottom part. It's quite long from here to the waist. It's quite long, such that it sits here just on top of the belly, but it covers the whole belly. Like, but I still love that, so that a top that she's wearing on top, like that she's wearing, won't be moving up and down and maybe showing whatever she's wearing underneath. It's covering everything. So I really, I think this is my favorite buy. And yeah, so these tights go with this sweater, sunshine sweater, in a yellow, but it's a dark yellow. It's a strong yellow, and I thought this was a normal sweater, like in cotton, but it's a bit shiny. It's not shiny, but it's a bit. I'm not sure what quality this is, but I love it, especially for tracksuits, because I hate these tracksuits that you buy and just after one wash there's already onjonji. So I don't like that. So I really like this quality. I really do. We used to have these tracksuits back at school when we were still in school. They used to have this fabric on our tracksuits. They used to have this quality on our tracksuits back in the day, and yeah, I hated them, but now I like this because of onjonji. I'm just running away from onjonji, and I think this is perfect. And one last item that we got, this one she was wearing, because she was wearing just now, because she did not want to take these off after I fitted them, like I was trying to fit them on her, so she was wearing this as well. So this one, I love this green. I really do. I love this color. I love it on anything. If I can have this in anything, I would have it. I love it. I love it. I love it. And she was wearing this with these tights. She was wearing this with these tights. She looked so good. She looked so good in these. And I can also imagine her wearing these in with jeans, with nice skinny jeans, and possibly tuck in a bit. Yeah, I will have a lot of experimenting with these items. That is it for now. I did not buy a lot of stuff because, as I said on my intro, when I buy from Shein, I don't buy a lot. I buy in batches. That's what I normally do to avoid customs on having a large cut with over 1,000 rands, and then when it gets here, you have to pay customs on top of that. So in my case, I buy less than 700 rands. My items are less than 700 rands. This was about these all these items were about I think it was 560 for all these things, and then it was 154 courier, and yeah, that was it. So I did not pay customs because I was not charged for customs, because my order because my order was below the amount that they charge for customs. I'm not sure how much they start charging customs. I am not saying they will charge you if you pay that amount that you will be paying, but in my case I never get charged because of the items that I take. They are below the amount that
Hayi bona bhuti.
Today is Sunday. It is Sunday night. I just got back from the Playdate with the little miss, and yeah, we had a good time. She had a good time. I love the place that we went to. It is very accommodating when you have kids. So I love taking my friends who have kids, and when they're visiting me, then we just go there for chilling, and also being able to let the kids play at the same time. I think that is the best part about that place. So yeah, right now I just wanted to show you guys what I got from Checkers, because Clicks was closed and Discam was quite far, so I decided to just buy the stuff from Checkers, from our Checkers. And I could not get the face masks that I need, that I normally use. And I was also hoping to get my foot mask, because I am due for a foot mask. And yeah, since it was summer, I wear a lot of sandals, so I know that my heels really need that foot mask. So hopefully soon I'll be doing my foot mask with you guys, and I will show you guys my results. I will also share a screenshot or a picture of my progress after using a foot mask. I think that was it's not about a year ago, a few months ago. So I need to do another one, because I wear a lot of sandals. I wear a lot of shoes that expose my heels, so they get too dry, and I'm just unhappy with my heels, with my feet, completely with just my feet. So before I get out of topic, I just want to show you guys what I got as an addition to my skincare routine. I have the detoxifying face wash, which is in charcoal. It's the charcoal face wash, so I got this one to replace my normal face wash. So I've been using the normal one, and I was happy with it. Nothing was wrong with that one. I never stopped enjoying using that one. I just wanted to try out this one, especially for winter. I just wanted to see how this one will react to my face, or how it will treat my face. So yeah, let us try this one and see if it makes any difference, or if it works better than the normal face wash. But it is still Himalaya. I am not changing anything. And also I decided to add the toner from Shein. So yeah, this is also part of my addition. And for my body, I add this oil to my body moisturizer. I use the Nivea body moisturizer, and I add this whenever I go out of my body cream. So I make sure that it's added. It's winter, and as I said before, I think on one of my videos, I did mention that I use this oil, and it was a replacement for bio oil. I no longer use bio oil because of the price, so this one is very convenient, and I feel the comfort of my skin through this magnolia oil from them. Yeah, so as I said, we are ending the vlog here. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys will enjoy it, and I will see you guys on my next video. Please do not forget to subscribe. Please do not forget to like, share, and comment. Thank you so much. I love you. Bye.